Welcome back, explorers, to Reaby, the Learning Lab, where learning is hands-on and fun. Today, the R Squad is starting a brand new Grade 4 math adventure in a bright desert place, Dune Valley. And today, we're learning how to read and understand numbers all the way to 10,000. That sounds huge, but we can handle it one place at a time. Before we get started, here's what we're learning today. Reading numbers to 10,000, understanding thousands, hundreds, tens, and ones, breaking large numbers into parts, and reading each digit by its place value. The secret to reading big numbers is reading one place at a time. This number is 4,682. It's a 4-digit number. 4-digit numbers have a thousands place, a hundreds place, a tens place, and a ones place. The digit in the thousands place tells us how many thousands. The digit in the hundreds place tells us how many hundreds. The digit in the tens place tells us how many tens. And the digit in the ones place tells us how many ones. So 4,682 means 4 thousands, 6 hundreds, 8 tens, 2 ones. That's how place value helps us understand what each digit is worth. Now let's read this number. The 7 means 7 thousands. The 3 means 3 hundreds. The 0 means 0 tens. The 5 means 5 ones. The 0 is important because it holds the tens place. Without it, the number would change. We read this number as 7,305. We read numbers by looking carefully at place value. A number line helps us see where a number belongs. On a number line, numbers to the left are smaller and numbers to the right are larger. Let's place 6,430. 6,430 is more than 6,000, but it is less than 7,000. So 6,430 belongs between 6,000 and 7,000. It is a little less than halfway between 6,000 and 7,000. That helps us understand how large the number is.
Thousands, hundreds, tens, and ones. Every place has a job best done. Left to right, read it tight. Place value makes the number right.
Thousands, hundreds, tens, ones. Your turn, explorers. Challenge 1. What does the 3 mean in 3,214? Correct, 3 thousands. Challenge 2. What does the 8 mean in 5,806? Correct, 8 hundredths. Challenge 3. What does the 7 mean in 9,470? Correct, 7 tens. Challenge 4. What number is this? Correct, 10,000. That's the biggest number for today. Let's review what we learned today. You read numbers up to 10,000. You understood thousands, hundreds, tens, and ones. You broke large numbers into parts, and you read each digit by its place value. Great job completing all of today's learning objectives. For reading and understanding desert numbers up to 10,000, you earned the Desert Number Scout Badge. Congratulations! You used place value like a pro. Next time, we'll go deeper into place value. We'll write numbers in different ways, expanded form and standard form. See you in Lesson 2. Bye, explorers!